flood control kasi, ngayon, ang sama ng pakinggan ng flood control project. So, pag flood control equals, irregular na yan.
Yeah.
But we have to be very conscious of the fact that the factors to consider there is need and intent. Hindi porke flood control project yan, corrupt na yan. Because sa totoo lang, a number of our places are below sea level or mababa. So talagang kailangan mo ng flood control project. So nung sinabi ni Pangulong Marcos na isususpend ang lahat ng flood control for next year, ano nangyari? Maraming tatamaan doon.
Right.
That's why he recalibrate or Secretary Vince Dizon had to pivot and explain it because not all flood control projects are illegal.
Yes.
You have to see that is there a need for this particular community to set up that flood control project, and if so, let's not stop it. Now, the other factor apart from need is intent. Yung intent, ibang usapan yan kung may kalokohan gagawin yung congressman, senador, or yung DPWH official, or yung contractor. Doon talaga papasok yung criminal intent na dapat bantayan din. So, wag nating sabihin porke may flood control project yung panukanang binigay yung isang congressman or isang senador, may kita na siya doon. Hindi. Tingnan natin kung talaga may pangangailangan ba doon sa komunidad na yun ng isang flood control project. Doon na tayo bantayin natin. Ngayon, mas bukas ang isip natin. Dapat bantayin natin itong proseso doon kung may kikita ba. Yan ang mahalaga. And we know that SOP ngayon ang what they say of the total budget project fund allotted to a project or flood control project, it's only 30% that's being applied to the project. So you've got a huge 70% that's what we call leakage or lagay, no? Parang bucket parang balde yan, tawag doon leakage Kasi corruption, leakage ang tawag doon. 70% leakage, 70% hindi na pupunta sa proyekto
Right.
Baguhin yan, not only from the side of the legislature.
Okay.
Very, very, this is the first time, Angelo and Angela, that the budget has been reviewed by ordinary Filipinos. The budget is so esoteric.
Okay.
When you see numbers, you just lose it.